The all-new Badger Inspection Crawler is an aid for any safety situation. Created by UplinkRobotics and assembled in the United States. Unlike any other product, the Badger is a service to and for you, with multiple free replacements every year, so you're never left empty-handed. As part of the service, you always receive the newest and most improved Badger. With high-quality HD video and 750 feet line of sight, you can spot criminals before they see you, and an attached camera that goes 90 degrees up and down for wide-angle driving, capable of navigating any terrain with true four-wheel drive, zero-turn maneuverability, and splash resistance. The carry tray attachment is ideal for delivering aid to people in confined spaces, always ready with quick-changing batteries that last up to 4 hours, usable at any time of day or night because it has LEDs and spotlights to truly assess all surroundings. Ideal for first responders, the Badger is an extended eye that can de-escalate many different scenarios. Search a house with our crawler before sending an officer in to ensure their safety. UplinkRobotics, brand new Badger Crawler, a service that keeps you ahead of the game.